chapter we have already studied the distance formula, section formula and midpoint formula. In today's video we will see how to find out area of a triangle when three vertices are given. So today we are going to derive the formula to find out area of triangle when three coordinates are given. The vertices of three coordinates are given. So let ABC be our triangle and coordinates of AB x1 y1, coordinates of BB x2 y2 and coordinates of C we can take as x3 y3. So we need to find out area of this triangle. So you have already studied area of the triangle. We can find out if the base and altitude is given, half base into height. Also in class 9 you have studied when three sides are given, we can find out area of the triangle by Heron's formula, that is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where A, B, C are sides of the triangle and S is the semi-perimeter, that is A plus B plus C by 2. But if we apply this formula, then it is a time consuming and a very lengthy process. So here we are going to use a different method to find out area of this triangle ABC. So as usual, like the other derivation, we are going to draw perpendicular line from B to the x-axis, again from A to x-axis and from C to x-axis. So I have drawn the perpendicular line from B to x-axis, that is BQ, AP and CR. Now I can write like this: area of triangle ABC. I can find out area of this trapezium. This is a trapezium ABQP. If you see, this is a trapezium. These two lines are parallel, and ABQP. We can write area of triangle ABC is area of trapezium. First trapezium, name of the trapezium is ABQP, plus area of the second trapezium APRC, plus area of trapezium APRC. So we got this full thing, but we want only area of this triangle. So now we need to subtract area of the third trapezium, that is BCQR. So minus area of trapezium BCQR. So that will give you area of triangle ABC. So we are adding this trapezium plus the trapezium on the right side, then we are subtracting the trapezium which is at the bottom of this triangle. That will give you area of this triangle. And we know that the formula to find out area of trapezium is half sum of parallel sides into height. So area of trapezium, general formula is half sum of parallel sides. If I am taking parallel sides is A and B, A plus B into height of the trapezium. So let's first find out area of trapezium ABQP. So if you take area of this trapezium, the parallel sides are BQ and AP, and height of the trapezium is, this is the height of the trapezium. So this distance and the distance QP both are same, so I am going to write as QP. So which is equal to BQ. What is the distance of BQ? You know, distance of BQ, that is perpendicular distance from x-axis, so which is equal to the distance from 0 to here, this is the y2. So this BQ will be y2. The same way AP will be the distance, this coordinate is y1. So distance from 0 to y1, so it is y1 into QP. Now QP, this point is x2 and P is x1. So QP is x1 minus x2. So I have x1 minus x2. In the same way, we can find out the area of the other two trapezium. So next is area of trapezium APRC. In the same way, it is half into parallel sides are AP and RC, and this height is this one, which is equal to PR. So again AP we know it as y1, then RC, this coordinate is y3, so we can write as y3, and PR is x3 minus x1. Same way, area of trapezium BCQR, we can write area of trapezium BCQR is half into BQ plus CR is the parallel sides and QR is the height. So we can see here BC and QR, these are the parallel sides, and if you take the height, we can take the height as QR will be the height. That means this is the height, so which is same as QR. So I can write half BQ is again y2 and CR is, we need to find out QR. QR is nothing but x3 minus x2. So area of first two trapezium minus area of the third trapezium. Now we need to simplify this. Here half is common. I'm going to take outside. We have y2 x1 plus y1 x1 minus y2 x2 minus y1 x2 plus y1 x3 minus y1 x1 plus y3 x3 minus y3 x1. Again this you should be careful since one minus sign is there. So minus y2 x3 minus into minus plus y2 x2 minus y3 x3, again minus into minus is plus, so y3 x2. So just I have opened the bracket, y2 into first term into the bracket plus second term into the bracket, then I have opened the bracket. Now we need to simplify this. We cannot remember the formula, such a lengthy formula, so we need to simplify this. So what I am going to do is I am taking out x1, the terms with x1 I am going to write. So first when I write the terms with x1, before taking outside the common term I can cancel. So y1 x1 and 1 y1 x1 is here, y2 x2 and y2 x2 is here. Again I can cancel y3 x3 and here also I have one y3 x3. Now I can take outside the common terms. So x1, here y2 x1 plus, I am going to group together the terms with x1. So we have y2 x1 again minus y3 x1. So this is again I am going to group the terms with x2. So I have here minus y1 x2 and another term with x2 Here I have y3 x2. Again the last one is with x3, y1 x3 minus y2 x3. Now I'll take outside x1 from this terms. So if I take outside, I have y2 minus y3. This is my first term. Now x2 I am going to take outside. So I have y3 minus y1. From this I am going to take outside x3. So I have y1 minus y2. So I got my area of triangle formula. You may be thinking this is also lengthy one, but it is easy to remember. Half, see x1, x2, x3 you write first. x1, x2 in half is common, so that you can take outside. Now the three terms will be x1, x2, x3. These are your three terms, and y will come inside the bracket. Now how you will remember this y terms? I have written y will come, you can write it will be minus, y minus, you can write like this, and y will be inside the bracket. Now 1 I have written, so this will be 2, 3. Again 2 I have written, so this will be 3, 1. Again 3 I have written, this will be 1, 2. That is 1, 2, 3. This order. If you are in 2, then 3, 1. If you are in 3, then 1, 2. That cyclic order you can remember. So once again, the area of triangle formula is half. You can take outside. Again x1, three terms are there inside the bracket, x1, x2, x3, and the terms inside the bracket will be with y, and it will be minus sign. So we can write like this. Then you can write 1, 2, 3. This is 2, 3, 1. Again 3, 2, 1. So this is the formula to find out area of triangle in the Cartesian plane when its vertices are given as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Thank you for watching my video.